Hello, my name's Ben from Coachman. Today, I'd like to show you around the Travelmaster 545. The Travelmaster boasts a class-leading level of specification, combined with the quality and comfort that is synonymous with any Coachman. Come with me and we'll take a closer look. When building a luxury motorhome, there is one obvious choice of which vehicle to build it on. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter features a powerful 170 brake horsepower engine and Mercedes 9G automatic transmission as standard. This is combined with the Alco chassis to deliver a drive that is smooth yet responsive and ensures you can stay relaxed mile after mile. Throughout the development process, our team have worked hard to produce a vehicle which marries aesthetics and aerodynamics. The sleek exterior has been engineered with design features that not only improve the driving experience, but enhance the Travelmaster's appeal and desirability. The Travelmaster is built for exploration and adventure. One of the key features that will help you make the most of wherever you go is the large rear garage. This dual-access heated storage space will ensure you can take all the gear you need to help you make the most of your free time. Other external highlights are the integrated reversing camera to assist you when manoeuvring your motorhome, the 140-watt solar panel to keep you topped up when you're off-grid, and a roof-mounted air conditioning unit to keep you cool in the summer sun. All these items feature as standard on the Travelmaster. Once inside, you can really appreciate what the Mercedes-Benz cab has to offer. Packed with the very latest driver assistance technology and a feeling of quality that has been honed through years of continuous development. In addition, the large touchscreen MBUX infotainment system has everything you need to keep you connected, informed and entertained throughout your journey. The cab is finished with 2 captain's chairs which swivel to provide additional seating within the habitation area. One of the essential features of any motorhome is the ability to accommodate passengers. At first glance, the front lounge features 2 bench seats with plenty of space in between. However, within this design, we have developed a very clever solution which allows the offside bench to quickly and easily rotate to become forward-facing, providing 2 additional travelling seats. So I suppose if you're going to take someone on holiday with you, they may need somewhere to sleep. Well, we've got a solution for that too. Seamlessly engineered into the roof space is an additional bed which effortlessly drops down at the push of a button. The bed is complete with access ladder and safety guards to the sides. The Travelmaster features our Nordic oak wood grain, which is beautifully contrasted with 2-tone upper locker doors. It has 2 generous bench seats at the front of the motorhome with premium quality contemporary grey fabric and coordinating scatter cushions. Off the lounge is the well-equipped kitchen, including large oven and grill, fridge with separate freezer and microwave, lockable under-counter drawers and additional upper locker doors finished with high gloss provide practical storage solutions. Moving through the motorhome, you'll find the sink and toilet to one side with the shower opposite and a large island bed at the rear. Every part of the Travelmaster has been designed with the user in mind to ensure year-round comfort. It features the Alder wet central heating system, which is combined with our underfloor heating. Our furniture has been designed to maximise airflow. This provides an even distribution of heat, which eliminates cold spots and condensation. The Travelmaster features our Smart D control panel. The Smart D panel centralises many functions within the motorhome, from controlling heating and air conditioning to dimming lights and emptying your heated water tanks. It's easy to navigate and provides all the information you need to monitor key functions during your break.